When I stand in my way, that's a losing game. When I'm over my age, it's a ball and chain. Got lost in the cars of that pretty face.
Airline lounges, souvenir shops. Ayan. Ito-try namin po yung A-Lounge. 14. Sa loob na po ito, ka-trippers ng NAIA Terminal 1. Ito-try namin, ka-trippers, yung Pugs. Complimentary Airport Lounge. Location, Terminal 1, Airside East Concourse, next to Gate 7. Nasa screen po lahat ng details. Pa-check na lang po para sa mga qualified credit card holder. Sa amin po, meron po kaming BPI Visa Signature Card. Try nyo pong gamitin yung qualified credit card nyo. Papakita lang yung passport, boarding pass. And i-verify lang nila madam dyan sa counter yung details ng passenger. Ang credit card po is allowed po yung principal at supplementary plus 1 po na guest. Free po yan. Enjoy watching! Trippers, they call it extension. Kasi, full na po sa kabila. Dito nila ita-transfer. Ayan. Pugs Premium Lounge. 2 packs. Na-verify na po. Ayan. Again, ka-trippers, allowed po 1 principal holder ng card. Plus 1. Supplementary plus 1. Then, yung succeeding, say, dalawa po yung dala na guest. Ang isa po nun magbabayad ng $25. Equivalent yata sa about 1,500. Depende po sa palitan. Halo-halo ga, you like?
When I'm over my age, it's a ball and chain. Got lost in the cars of that pretty face.
Ayan ka-trippers. BPI signature. Ayan, asado shop. Ano po to? Free lang. So, meron ka pong waiting time na 3 hours dito sa Pugs. Una, maghintay po kayo dun sa labas, sa waiting area. Kaya lang po, selected lang po yung kung sino lang po yung may card. Drinks. Buffet po to. Unli po yan. Dito po kami sa loob. Wala na. Ito na yung loob yan. Actually, extension ng ka-trippers kasi full. At may camera talaga. Kasi full po yung isa. Airport Group Solution. Ay, sorry. Wait. Yan si Ma. Thank you po. So, done na po kami sa amin. Pag-abuso sa A-Lounge. Joke. Ito po yung Philippine Airport Group, Philippine Airport Ground Support Solution. Dito po, pag na-full, ita-transfer ka po dito sa extension. Inside, NAIA Terminal 1. Load pa yan. Immigration, tapos security check. Water station. Free po yan. Cafe Express. We're now going to gate number 14.